It's summertime, so get that grill going and get together with your family and friends. Being a family company is more than just how we treat each other, it's how we treat our customers, our neighbors, and other local business owners. It doesn't matter if it's around the grill or the boardroom, at the pool, or even over your next plate of burgers, brats, and potato salad. Don't forget about dessert. So take some time this summer and appreciate your own family and friends. Take in the sights, slow things down, because before you know it, it'll be winter again here in Wisconsin. From all of us here at SA Meier Company, Hoffman Security Solutions, and Aquatica Ponds, we hope you have a safe and happy summer.